There has been a false narrative that's been built time and again about the fairness of Indian elections. We've sent a team down to Bastar to get you the real story on how elections are held in a free and fair manner in India. Take a look.
We are here in Dantewada of Bastar, which goes to polls on April 19. Bastar is the highest Naxal-infested area in the country. Like previous elections, Naxals have issued posters, appeals and press statements asking the people to boycott the electoral process. Many of these posters have been cited in the last 2 weeks. But the common voters of Bastar, especially those residing in the most interior, inaccessible areas, are having none of it.
बिल्कुल डालेंगे। नेता लोग धमका रहे हैं, नेता कोई बात नहीं मानेंगे।
डर तो नहीं है?
नहीं।
पक्का वोट डालोगे?
हाँ।
नहीं, हम वोट डालने जाएंगे, किसी का खतरा नहीं है, कोई डर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, नक्सली नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
बहिष्कार करने दो, लेकिन मैं जाऊंगा, वोट डालने जाऊंगा।
A massive crackdown against Naxals was initiated by the security forces in January this year. As per security data, more than 50 Naxals have been neutralized since January 2024. More than 200 have been nabbed. Not just that, around 200 odd Naxals have surrendered this year alone, and at least 167 of them have joined the state police.
कई माओवादी कैडर जो माओवादियों के एक असली चेहरा है, जो हिंसात्मक और एक विकास विरोधी चेहरा है, उसको देखकर जान लिया, पहचान लिया, उसके पश्चात हिंसा त्याग करके समाज के मुख्य धारा में शामिल होने के लिए उद्देश्य से आत्मसमर्पण भी किया। इस प्रकार माओवादियों का भी काफी बैकफुट में है।
While it is easy to denigrate India's democracy sitting in think tanks abroad, it is the resilience and commitment of the Indian voter which keeps the world's largest democracy alive and kicking.
Here, the men, women, all voters have made up their mind to defy not only geographical challenges, but the threat to their lives because they believe in exercising their franchise. Perhaps those creating an anti-democracy narrative would like to come here and see things for themselves. In Dantewada, Chhattisgarh, with Somesh Patel, Smita Mishra.
Well, that's how a false narrative being built, and our correspondent there on the ground getting us the real picture.